Hello children, welcome to 9th Chemistry online classes. Chapter 3 Atoms and Molecules. In this lesson, the last class we studied how to write formulae of simple compounds. And today we are going to learn molecular mass and formula unit mass. Molecular mass. So we already studied in this lesson what is atomic mass. Atomic mass is the mass of an atom. And we studied what is molecule. The atoms, they are combined, chemically combined to form molecules. So what is molecular mass? The mass of a molecule. Okay, so we'll just see the definition of molecular mass. The molecular mass of a substance is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule of the substance. Molecular mass is expressed in atomic mass units or AMU, or we can call it as U. Atomic mass units, AMU or U. So molecular mass means in the molecule many elements are there. So we have to take the sum of each elements or each atom's mass. Sum of each atom's mass, atomic mass, that is called molecular mass. So here some examples also here. This is example 1. First we have to calculate molecular mass of water. So you know that the formula of water molecule is H2O, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. So how we can calculate molecular mass of H2O? 2 into, that means 2 hydrogen atoms are there. So 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1, here only 1 oxygen. So 1 into atomic mass of oxygen. What is children? So molecular mass is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in the molecule. So in this molecule, we have to take all the atoms, their atomic mass, and we take the sum. So here 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 into atomic mass of oxygen, because here only 1 oxygen, that is why here we refer to 1. And here 2 means that's here 2 hydrogen atoms. Hope you clear that concept. So molecular mass of H2O equals 2 into 1. That means atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So 2 into 1 plus atomic mass of oxygen is 16, and oxygen is here 1 number. So 1 into 16. So what is the molecular mass of this water molecule? 18 U. 2 into 1 2, 16 into 1 16, 16 plus 2 18. 18 U. Got it children? Now we see example 2. We will find the molecular mass of HNO3. HNO3 means nitric acid. HNO3 nitric acid. So here which are the elements? Hydrogen atom. 1 hydrogen atom is here. 1 nitrogen atom here. And 3 oxygen atoms also here. That is HNO3. So same like this example 1. We will do this also. So here hydrogen 1. So 1 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus here only 1 nitrogen. So 1 into atomic mass of nitrogen plus 3 oxygen. So 3 into atomic mass of oxygen. So we'll just do that calculation. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 and atomic mass of nitrogen is 14 and atomic mass of oxygen 16. I told you to study the atomic masses of some elements. That table is in your textbook. Okay, so when you write this atomic mass of each atom, you will get like this. First 1 into 1, that is 1, plus 1 into 14, that is 14, and 3 into 16, that is 48. So when we take the total, we get 63. So U is the unit of molecular mass, AMU, or atomic mass units. So molecular mass of nitric acid is 63 U. Next is formula unit mass. So what is formula unit mass? This formula unit mass and molecular mass, the calculation is almost the same. Then what is the difference of this molecular mass and formula unit mass? Here we use in the formula unit mass, we use for those substances whose constituent particles are ions. So we studied ion. What is an ion? Ion is the charged particles. So the compound which have that kind of ions, that is called when we are taking their mass, we can call it as formula unit mass. But molecular mass and formula unit mass both are same. But the difference is only this one. Formula unit mass means we consider the molecule like ions, that constituents are ions. So we will read this. Okay. The sum of atomic masses of all atoms in a formula unit of a compound is called as its formula unit mass. The formula unit mass is used in case of substance that constitute ions. So that is the important part. Okay. The substance contain ion. The constituents are ions. We can tell it as formula unit mass. For example, formula unit mass of sodium chloride. So here this is a compound, and here one part is metal and this part is non-metal. So sodium Na plus, that is ion. Which ion? Na plus means that is cation, and chlorine that is Cl minus, that is anion. So two ions are there. So that's a time we are taking the formula unit mass. So first NaCl. So here how many sodium? 1 Na. So 1 into atomic mass of sodium is 23. So 1 into 23 plus Cl is also 1. So 1 into atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. So when we see the total, we get 58.5. Okay, children. So these two are very easy to calculate molecular mass and formula unit mass. But only one thing you have to learn, or you have to by heart, the atomic masses of some common elements. And so these things you have to write in your notebook. And in page number 40, some textbook questions also there, 1 and 2. So that is the calculation of formula unit mass and molecular masses of some compounds. Okay, so that also do in your notebook. Okay, thank you. All the best.